Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Joe and Angie's Food Review. Today we got a food review of one of my favorite specialty pizzas called the Mower Pizza. It's not a new food review for me, but it'll be a new food review for you, and this is one of my favorites. Let's go up and close with the lawnmower. We've got steak, gorgonzola cheese, and honey parmesan crusted pizza with sauteed spinach. Now the key to this pizza is the gorgonzola. If you're not gonna like that cheese, you will not like this pizza. That's just a con right there for some people, but for me, that's what puts this pizza over the top. Let's take a bite. Right off the bat, you get smacked in the face with the gorgonzola cheese. Very good. It's got a unique bite to it. And then you get the sauteed spinach, and you get the nice steak. Such a great pizza. If you can like that gorgonzola